Before the scientific age truly began, people believed things that now seem bizarre. Here's a true story about George Washington. In 1799, when he was dying, doctors tried to save him by opening one of his veins to let blood out of his body. Lots of blood. More than 2 quarts. They thought that bleeding would help make him healthier, and so did George Washington. He died a few days later. Thankfully, through science, we now know better than to drain blood from sick people. Modern medicine is built on science, and so is communication, transportation, energy, and more. How do scientists learn so much about the natural world, and why should we have confidence in their findings? Remember that even brilliant scientists sometimes make mistakes, as we all do. 2-time Nobel Prize winner Linus Pauling, a chemist and a man deeply concerned about the use of nuclear weapons, was so sure that taking large quantities of vitamin C would cure the common cold, and even cure cancer, that he wrote books and articles recommending everyone use more vitamin C. He was sure he was correct before enough evidence was collected. Some people started taking huge quantities of vitamin C only because a Nobel Prize winner said that they would be healthier. Research eventually showed that Pauling was wrong. People do need vitamins, but vitamins don't cure colds or cancer. In order to overcome mistaken ideas like bloodletting or taking excessive amounts of vitamin C, scientists rely on peer review, meaning that scientific research is made available for other scientists to review. In fact, articles in science journals are not even published until a group of other scientists review that research and judge its quality, including the methods and the results. And so year by year, article by article, and reference by reference, scientists gather better data and weed out mistakes, theories that don't work well, and so on, building a better understanding of the world as a community of experts use evidence to reach consensus about what is true. Sometimes one scientist or one article makes a great difference, but usually scientific progress depends on large numbers of scientists and scientific organizations gathering new data and building on earlier research. We can see the difference science has made in our lives, and we have confidence in science because, year after year, scientists improve people's knowledge about the world we live in. There is still plenty to discover, but scientists don't simply claim something is true without evidence and without peer review. Unfortunately, we know that some people and companies do just that. This is a screenshot of a video made by a company that wants pregnant women to buy their specially made audio recordings and play them to the baby before it's been born. It's supposed to make the baby smarter. More than 20 years ago, a company called Baby Einstein created and sold a different product and made a similar claim, namely that their product would make babies smarter. Most people want their child to be smart. What would you recommend to a mother who wants her baby or her toddler to become intelligent? Where would you go online to find that information?